Meaning of folk music.
Folk music.
Folk music.
Folk music.
Folk music. Folk music refers to traditional music that has been passed down orally through generations within a specific culture or community. This style of music is often characterized by simple melodies, sparse instrumentation, and lyrics that tell stories about everyday life, history, or nature. Folk music can be found worldwide, and each region has its unique sound and repertoire. It has also influenced many other genres of music, including country, blues, and rock. Overall, folk music celebrates the cultural heritage and identity of a particular group or region.